Welcome back to the channel. If extreme adventure, unstoppable engineering, and luxury that laughs at rough terrain are your thing, today's vehicle is going to blow your mind. This is the 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV, a rolling fortress built to take you anywhere on Earth and bring 5-star comfort along for the ride. From the very first look, the exterior makes a powerful statement. This machine looks more like a military expedition vehicle than an RV, and that's exactly the point. The massive 8x8 stance, towering ground clearance, and reinforced Caterpillar-grade chassis are designed to dominate deserts, snowfields, mud, and mountains without hesitation. Heavy-duty off-road tires, integrated recovery points, skid plates, and a high-mounted snorkel show that this RV is built for serious exploration. Step inside, and the contrast is incredible. The interior transforms from rugged to refined in an instant. You're greeted by a spacious, climate-controlled living area finished with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and smart lighting throughout. The panoramic windows bring the outdoors in, while the reinforced insulation keeps the cabin quiet and comfortable no matter what's happening outside. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where Caterpillar truly flexes its engineering muscle. Power comes from a massive Caterpillar turbo diesel engine, tuned for extreme torque and reliability rather than speed. This 8x8 drivetrain delivers power to all wheels with advanced locking differentials, ensuring constant traction no matter the terrain. The heavy-duty suspension system absorbs rocks, ruts, and uneven surfaces with ease. When it comes to price, exclusivity, and capability come at a premium. The 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV is expected to start around $750,000 and can climb well past the $1 million mark, depending on customization, interior layout, and expedition upgrades. This isn't designed for casual weekend camping. It's built for explorers, professionals, and adventurers who want absolute freedom without compromise. Safety is just as serious as performance. The reinforced cabin structure provides exceptional protection, while advanced driver assistance systems help manage such a massive vehicle with confidence. Multiple cameras give you a 360-degree view. Traction and stability systems adapt to changing terrain, and onboard monitoring keeps track of engine health, tire pressure, and suspension performance in real time. So in summary, the 2026 Caterpillar 8x8 Overland RV is the ultimate expression of go-anywhere luxury. It combines industrial-grade strength, extreme off-road capability, and a refined interior that allows you to live comfortably in the most remote places on Earth. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice for those who refuse to follow roads and prefer to create their own path. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extreme overland RVs ever imagined, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay bold, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next one.